Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to use hole wizard tool in context modeling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some tap holes on this bottom plane and which are gonna follow the counterbore holes on this red plate. So for that what I need to do is I just need to select my part and right click on that, and then I can go into the edit part. And then I would select my surface where I want to add the hole wizard. So I would just select this and then I would go into the hole wizards. And then into the hole wizard, I would go to the straight taps, and then I would go into the tape holes. And let's say if I want to go with the size of M5 is fine for me. So M5, and then end condition I can just select through all, it's fine, and everything other looks fine. And then I would like to go into the positions. So now what I need to do is I just need to select the positions where I want to add my tap holes. So as you can see, if I'm gonna zoom in, so if I'm gonna hover it onto the corner, so you can see there is a center appearing here. So what I need to do is I can just select on this center, and then I can create my hole here, and then I would like to go on here as well. And then again I'm gonna go into the outer circle of this tapered hole, and then there could be an option for the center, and then I'm gonna create a hole into the center like this. And then I'm gonna go back into this hole again, and I'm gonna hover it, and then I can see there is an option for center, and then I can insert a tap hole into the center. And let's go to the last one. Again I'm gonna hover on it, and then I would find a center, and then I would choose a location for this one like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna press escape on my keyboard, so in that way I would be out of the command. So if you think like your holes are not right, or if you want to have holes again, so what would you like to do is you need to go into the point, and then you can click, and then again your command would be turned on. So but I'm okay with it, so I would just press the escape, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
And then I would like to go back into the assembly. So as you can see, right, my holes are there. So if I'm gonna rotate this, so as you can see my holes are there. Okay, so maybe I should go with the M6, but I guess it's fine. Okay, the next thing is what I would like to do is I need to complete the assembly. So I would like to add a mate between this screw. So what I would like to do is I would just select the outer part, and then I would go into the assembly, into the mate, and then I would select the outer part of this hole. And then I'm gonna click the green check mark. But still, as I can move it to up and down, so what I would like to do is I would like to create another mate. I would select the bottom area of this head, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select this one. So in this way I'm gonna fix it and click the green check mark. Okay, I'm gonna select this plate, I'm gonna move it here. So let's see what happens with the hole. Holes are still there, so they are not gonna move it. But there is an option, as you can see, there is a rebuild option. So if I'm gonna rebuild it, I'm gonna click on rebuild. So these holes are gonna move here, wherever I'm gonna move my plate. So these holes are gonna move under my plate. Suppose I want to change the location of my plate again. So if I'm gonna move here, so the holes are still there. So if I'm gonna click the rebuild, so these holes are gonna move here under my red plate. So in this way, what I can do is we can control the holes, the tape holes on the bottom plate as the reference of the red plate. So in this way, we can use hole wizard in context modeling. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.